Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a stop loss limit on Wazirx. Guys, now what is this stop loss limit? Okay guys, now guess that you bought a coin at 20 rupees and after some time the price of that coin has increased to 30 rupees. Now you will not sell this coin thinking that this coin might reach like 40 rupees or 50 rupees. So what you'll do, you'll go do your job or you'll go to sleep. Now once you come back and see, the price of that coin has fallen down to 15 rupees. So you're in loss now. So to prevent this, you can use stop loss limit. Now if you have purchased a coin at 20 rupees and if the price of that coin has increased to 30 rupees, then you can set the stop loss limit at 25 rupees. So if the price of that coin starts falling from 30 rupees, once it touches 25 rupees, your coins will all get sold. So you bought the coins at 20 rupees and sold it at 25 rupees. So by using this stop loss limit, you can prevent loss on your Wazirx account. Okay guys, now I think you understood what is stop loss limit on Wazirx. Now I'll show you how to use this stop loss limit on Wazirx on my mobile phone. So watch this video carefully till the end. Okay guys, now by the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Guys, if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, Instagram account and if you're looking to make money online by doing cryptocurrencies, then you're on the right spot, so consider subscribing. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, now I'll show you how to set stop loss for Wazirx token. Now to do that, go on to the market section. Click on the Wazirx token. Click on buy and sell option. Click on the sell option. Now guys, here you'll find an option called limit. So if you click on that, you'll get two options. So click on the second option, stop limit. Now you'll get two options here, stop price and limit price. Okay guys, now the current price of one Wazirx token is 73.80 rupees. So under stop price, I'll enter 70.5. Now under limit price, I'll enter 70 rupees. Now here I'll select how many coins I want to sell. So I'll just select one token. Okay guys, now the current price is 73.70 rupees. Now if the price of the coin falls to 70.5 rupees, then my order will get initiated. And if the price touches 70 rupees, then my Wazirx token will get sold. Guys, now guess that the current price of one Wazirx token is 100 rupees. And also assume that you bought this token at 50 rupees. So you can set the stop loss limit at 80 rupees. Guys, the crypto market keeps on pumping and dumping all the time. So you can't just sit and watch your mobile phone 24/7. So you can use this stop loss limit to exit the trade without undergoing any loss. Okay guys, now click on the sell option and slide this to confirm. Again click on this confirm option. Okay guys, now go on to the order section. So yeah guys, here you can see that my order has been placed successfully. So once the market price matches my selling price, then my order will get executed. And guys, in case if you want to cancel this trade, then just click on the cancel option. And guys, in case if you don't have a Wazirx account, then in the description of this video, I'll leave the Wazirx links. So if you want to create a new Wazirx account, then click on that link and create a Wazirx account. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos, Instagram and cryptocurrency related videos. So if you're a YouTuber, Instagrammer and if you're looking to make money online by doing cryptocurrencies, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, now if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.